Week two in Berlin. Everything's going great. I've got to know people in the office a bit better now, understanding my project a little bit better as well, which is the European Investment Bank in Luxembourg. Um, I've been looking at the heating and cooling systems, coordinating it with the new architectural grid, and looking at the radiant panels and whether we could get the heating and cooling loads um, out of the panels and to coordinate with the grid so it looks as we hope it does, the architect's vision, and doing lots of other fun stuff. We had a debate last week on gender equality. It was really nice how the whole office crammed into a meeting room and discussed this topic. It's really nice how you can have a whole office event where you have the graduates and the top director having their opinions discussed. So that was really nice. On Saturday, a few of us went to an Unterwelt tour of the Berlin Wall. This was really fascinating. I learned a huge amount about the history of Germany that I didn't know, about the splitting up of East and West Germany and also the East and West Berlin, the creation of the wall, and the tour focused especially on the escapes, which were really interesting. A group of students successfully managed to escape through sewage tunnels from east to west. There was also some incredible tunneling attempts as well, mainly for people to escape from East Berlin to West, and then also to reunite families that were suddenly cut off in the middle of the night. So that was really interesting. And then after that, a few of us went out to dinner, and then I also had my first night out in Berlin. I experienced some famous Berlin techno, which is really fun. What was quite different to Bath is that we got to the club at 1 a.m., whereas most places in Bath would have closed by then. And because it was a 6th year anniversary of the club night, it was open from Friday evening until Monday morning. And I didn't quite manage the whole weekend, but I had a good stint in there, which was good fun. And then last night I went with a guy from work called Dirk to play table tennis, which was good fun and good German speaking practice. One point I was playing doubles with three pretty old German guys who were absolutely whooping my ass at table tennis. So that was pretty good. And then after that we had some €1 falafel, which is great. Eating and drinking out here is super cheap, so that's really good. And then this morning, I had my second German class. It's going well. It's really quite challenging. It was just me and another guy, so it's a really nice, intimate class. And the other guy was really good, so it was a bit of a struggle for me. But I think that's the best way for me to improve. So that's really good. I'm gonna head off to bed now, but I'll speak to you guys next week.